Hello everyone. Thanks for tuning in to the Florida Immigration Law Council YouTube channel. My name is Saman Mobasaki Gonzalez and I'm an immigration attorney. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video if you find it useful. Today we're going to talk about the exciting new changes of President-elect Joe Biden. Over the past 4 years, the Trump administration has taken dangerous and harmful steps to disrupt the current U.S. immigration policies. The election of Joe Biden, the 46th president of the United States, has brought hope to us that there are comprehensive changes that will occur that will benefit immigrants outside and inside of the United States. Fortunately, President-elect Biden has promised to make sweeping changes to undo Trump's immigration policies. But what does this actually mean? Here we take a brief look at some of the changes that we can expect. But keep in mind that we won't know what these policies are until they actually come into effect. Here at Florida Immigration Law Council, we're committed to following the news and the media and the policy changes that may be happening to see whether or not they'll affect our current and future clients. Legal immigration into the United States has always been a very difficult and complicated process. But over the last 4 years, it has become extremely strenuous and very, very stressful in migrating to the United States. Doors that were halfway open or slightly open have been now completely shut because of the Trump's policy and their administration and view towards immigration in the United States. Thankfully, President-elect Joe Biden has promised to undo these changes. And on January 20th, the day that he's sworn in, we're going to be watching like hawks to make sure that his policy changes go into effect. Here are some of the main bullet points from Joe Biden's policy changes that he has committed to making an impact with immigration. Number 1, take urgent action to undo Trump's damage and claim America's values back. Number 2, modernize America's immigration system. Number 3, welcome immigrants to our communities. Number 4, re-assert America's commitment to asylum seekers and refugees. Number 5, tackle the root of irregular migration. Number 6, implement effective border screening process. More excitingly, he has pledged to undo the Muslim travel bans that the Trump administration put into play over the last 4 years. He has also pledged to protect from deportation reinstatements and to continue with DACA and TPS. The DACA program that he's pledging to reinstate will protect about 650,000 DACA recipients, along with 56,000 people who are now eligible for DACA, first-time applicants, but are not able to apply because of the Trump's immigration policy. He has also pledged a task force to help reunite the approximately 545 or more missing children from their parents that have been separated as a result of when they come to the United States and they're going to different facilities, and now the U.S. government doesn't know which child belongs to which parent. These are just a few of the major takeaways from President-elect Joe Biden that he has promised to start as soon as he is sworn in on January 20th. However, there's a really long road ahead of us, and there's so much damage that has been caused by the Trump administration. I know it's going to take some time for him to go back and undo all of the horrible policies that have been put into play in the last 4 years. So we're going to be patient, but we're going to be watching hard. His promise to us was to undo these policies and to make a comprehensive immigration reform to help the immigrants that are currently in the United States and coming to the United States. The current laws right now are not up to par on modern American society. They don't fit the mold of what's going on in this country. They're old, they're antiquated, and a lot of times they don't make any sense. And the Trump administration has been successful in manipulating these old regulations and policies. But now, with a breath of fresh air, President-elect Joe Biden has promised to make these positive, sweeping changes, and we will be watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video if you find it useful. Thank you guys, and take care.